Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your LinkedIn featured links to your Medium posts. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. First, open your LinkedIn profile. Log in to your LinkedIn account. Navigate to your profile page by clicking on your profile picture. Scroll down to the featured section. If you don't see the featured section, you may need to add it by selecting Add Profile section. Click on the plus icon in the featured section. Choose links from the menu that appears. Open a new tab in your browser and go to your Medium profile. Select the post you want to feature on LinkedIn. Copy the URL of the Medium post from the address bar. Return to your LinkedIn tab. Paste the Medium post URL into the provided field. Click Add to create the featured link. You will see a preview of your Medium post. Add a title and a description if necessary. Click Save to finalize the addition. Repeat the process for any other Medium posts you want to feature. Once finished, review your featured section to ensure everything looks good. Your LinkedIn profile is now updated with links to your Medium posts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.